Hello, I'm Jose Rene Valdez from Protexcel.com to bring you today a presentation about Protexcel for Excel. This is a software to make your Excel documents safer and reliable. So how can Protexcel bring value to your business? In this video, we will put two simple examples to show you what Protexcel can do for you. The example number 1. When you have to create or update Microsoft Excel files and somebody else will use your document later. This is useful for secretaries, accountants, and many other office jobs. Let's suppose that you are creating or updating a Microsoft Excel document like this one. If somebody else will have to touch the document later, how can you be sure that they won't touch your formulas? How can you be sure that they won't overwrite your data? With Protexcel you can lock and hide your formulas everywhere in your document. Put a master password to your document and make it safe and trustable automatically. You can also work with other type of cells like values, text, dates, and even empty cells. Protexcel will bring you to a new level in the control of your documents. Example number 2. When you have to analyze or take decisions based on Microsoft Excel files from other people, useful for managers, business owners, accountants, and many other office jobs. If you receive a file like this one, how can you be sure that the formulas are not tampered? You will have to go and check the formulas one by one. Protexcel will do it for you automatically. Protexcel will save your time and analysis. Using Protexcel with any Excel document, you will see and understand what's in the document much better and much faster. We will use these settings in our example. For the formulas, we are going to lock the formulas and we are going to hide the formulas. The background for the formulas will be in yellow. For the values, the text, the dates, and the empty cells, we are not going to lock these concepts and we are not going to hide any one of them. And the reason for that is because the user that is going to be using our document later is going to have to put values in the value cells or text or dates or maybe use the empty cells. We will allow this user to use all these type of cells in this example. But we will not allow the user to overwrite our formulas because they will be locked. And we will not allow to the user even to see the formulas because they will be hid. So in this example we are going to use a background yellow for the formulas, green for the values, blue for the text, pink for the dates, and gray for the empty cells. And finally we are going to protect the document, the datasheet, with the password Protexcel. You can use this password or any other one in your documents. But it's important to put the password to get the protection, because otherwise you won't be able to get the protection. This protection over here is only valid when you put a password on your document. can use those or create your own set of settings, because Protexcel for Excel is highly customizable. Now, even yourself cannot override your own formulas by mistake. Protexcel will alert you. Trust in your coworkers' documents without check them. Create your own safe document in seconds. So just one question. Is the information on my document safe with Protexcel? There is two answers, yes and yes, and there is yes for two reasons. The first one is because Protexcel don't care about the content of your cells. If it is a number, it could be 1 or 100 or 5,000. It is a number. That's all what Protexcel knows. Under any circumstances, Protexcel will touch the content of your cells, formulas, values, text, or dates. Protexcel works with Microsoft Excel to a different level. The reason number two is because you don't have to overwrite your document. You can create a copy if you want. Let's see how. And finally, you can define the Protexcel screen with the color combination that you like more. Let's see how.